morning. It's day 14 and it's also sunny, and it really, I'm just so happy to see this sunshine, and it's just amazing. It feels like Christmas, honestly. After so much wind and rain, it is just amazing. So I was going to leave Fishwick today and go somewhere else, but man, it is just so nice. And apparently there are amazing walks around here, so I'm going to go and have a really nice walk today in the sunshine. Shorts are on, which they have been anyway, but shorts are on, and I am going to go for a really nice walk. I'm going to have a smoothie now with blueberries, banana and baby spinach, just to kick the morning off, and I will see you all later on a really nice walk. It is just so fantastic to see the sunshine again. I was beginning to wonder if it was ever going to come out. But here we are, sunny, and it is just fantastic. So whatever it is you're doing today, have a wonderful day, because I am having a sunny day, which is wonderful. So I will see you all later, and enjoy whatever it is you're doing. Bye for now. So I have just driven about 45 minutes or so from Fishwick to a place called Whiteadder Reservoir. I think that's how it's pronounced. And it is just spectacular. I can't believe I'm actually only in the sort of border area of Scotland. I'm not even in the Highlands, and this is just so beautiful. And the drive here was just gorgeous scenery. Just fields and green and just beautiful little farmhouses and sheep and cows, and just the most beautiful scenery. I mean, this is what I came for. This is what I envisaged would be my holiday in my camper van, and it is just great. I mean, yeah, the sun has gone back in and there's a little bit of rain and there's wind, but it is just so beautiful here. I mean, so beautiful. If I turn really slowly, you'll be able to see this enormous reservoir, and it is just stunning. I just feel so blessed to be here and sharing this with you. I mean, this is just spectacular, and it just makes you kind of so glad and happy that you woke up this morning, which we should be anyway, because, you know, this life is pretty sort of special, and nobody kind of knows whether you're going to get another one after this one, so you've got to make the most of this one. And this, for me, is just the way to make the most of it. This is beautiful, and wow. It is just so gorgeous here, and I have a feeling that the further into Scotland I go, the more gorgeous it's going to get. But for now, this is just so beautiful. So I'm just going to keep making lots of these short videos and hoping that you keep liking them. So I do have to do one thing though. I want to make a big shout out to Stu Geraghty down in BSG in Guangzhou, and a special hello to Jean, who was on the reception at the school when I was there, and she is just gorgeous, and hoping you really keep enjoying and watching the videos, Stu and Jean, and anyone else who knows me as well. So big hello to those two. So thank you for the compliment, Jean. Very nice. Thank you. Always good to hear something nice about yourself. And yeah, I'll get back to you later when I find another place to film from. So for now, bye for now.